If your Anaconda installation gets stuck on setting installation directory permissions and it just doesn't move, and after waiting for a while it shows failed to initialize Anaconda directories, don't panic. This is actually a very common Anaconda installation issue on Windows. A lot of people think something is broken or that their system has a problem. The main reason this happens is during the installation step where it asks install for. By default, we usually select just me because it's recommended. But in this case, that option is what causes the installer to get stuck while setting directory permissions. So the fix is very simple. Just uninstall Anaconda, run the installer again, and this time select all users, then click next and continue the setup normally. Once you do that, the installation finishes without getting stuck. As you can see here, Anaconda installs successfully, and I can open the Anaconda prompt directly from Windows Search without any errors. So yeah, that's it. A small change, but it saves you a lot of time and frustration. If this helped, you know what to do.